When a leak happens in a sensitive environment, finding it fast matters, but doing it responsibly matters even more. That's why there's Eco-Glo from Spectroline, a readily biodegradable UV dye designed to detect leaks in oil-based systems without compromising performance. Whether it's forestry equipment, agricultural machinery, marine systems, or mining applications, leaks do not just cost time and money, they can also increase environmental risk. Eco-Glo helps locate leaks with bright green fluorescence under UV or violet lamps, so technicians can identify the problem quickly and accurately. Eco-Glo's formula is miscible with petroleum oils, synthetic oils, and environmentally acceptable lubricants, known as EAL. It's also filtered to 2 microns, which won't clog filters, and stays stable even in demanding conditions. Best of all, Eco-Glo meets the OECD 301B standard for ready biodegradability, offering high-performance leak detection with a more responsible approach for regulated or sensitive environments. Eco-Glo from Spectroline, same powerful visibility, lower impact, detect leaks with confidence, work more responsibly,